Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. I really has something to show you guys. Not for the first time, I believe. Maybe, I'm not sure. Seafret. Maybe I've been here on Growing Guitar. I've heard them before. That's for sure. This time we have Cloud. I really like this song, guys. So very uplifting, airy, and all that beautiful stuff, and simple to play. Let's go into it. And speaking of C fret, okay, we have a capo on the 5th fret here, and that is how they perform it on the music video. But you can go without this capo and have as easy life as with this capo. So it's not necessary. In the end of this tutorial, I'm going to show you the chords without any capo, but now this is for this song and how they perform it here with the capo on 5th. Okay, so if you want to play and learn it without the capo, stay tuned here for throughout this video, and you're gonna have it in the end. So let's go through the chords. We have 4 of them. We're gonna start with A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is C, very easy transition there. 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next. 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we have the D. And that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Okay, so there you have the 4 chords needed. Now let's go into the strumming. Grab the first chord, A minor. 1 round sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna play first 1 down, short pause, and then comes up, down, down. And then you go again, up, down, down. And then you end with down, up. So down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. That's 1 round. So like this. A couple rounds. So you're going to play 1 of these string rounds per chord in the order we learned. So A minor 1, C1, G1, and D1, like this. Alright, so there you have the song. Now I promised you to show you how to play without any capo, so let's dump this right there, and we're gonna go into the 4 new chords. We're gonna play D minor, F, C, and G, and you will notice it sounds pretty much the same, not with the highest notes down there, but pretty much the same, like this. So just a quick run through of the chords. D minor, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E. F with a bar, index finger on the 1st fret, push down all strings, then 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Added. C, 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That you had in the first setup, and even the G that comes right after, you had that chord in the first setup. 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And there you have it, guys. Seafret's Cloud. Yes. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.